Your brand new iPhone 17 is completely dead. It won't turn on, the screen is black, and you're probably starting to panic. Don't worry, before you book an expensive Genius Bar appointment, I'm going to show you the exact button combo that will force your 17 Pro, Pro Max, or Air back to life. Now, before we press any buttons, we need to rule out a completely drained battery. Plug your phone into a wall charger for at least 30 minutes. If your charging port happens to be dirty or broken, throw it on a wireless charger instead. Once it's had time to juice up, grab your phone and let's fix it. Here's the exact sequence. You have to do this quickly. Ready? Press and release volume up. Press and release volume down. Now press and hold the big side button. Do not let go of that side button. The screen will stay black for a bit, which is totally normal. Keep holding. Now, while we wait for the Apple logo to appear, you're probably wondering, is this going to delete all my photos, texts, and apps? I'll answer that in just a second. Just keep holding that button. There it is, the Apple logo. Once you see that, you can finally let go. And to answer your question, no, this method will not delete a single piece of your data. All your photos, music, and documents are perfectly safe. We simply force the phone software to shut down and reload. If it didn't work the first time, try the volume up, volume down, hold side button sequence one more time. As long as there isn't physical hardware damage, this brings it back 99% of the time. If this video saved your iPhone today, hit that like button and subscribe for more straight to the point tech fixes. Ever wonder why your alarm doesn't ring some mornings? Watch this video next.